Unica Twin is an automated dispenser of powder products for the preparation of batches for various industries such as technical rubber, plastic, food, paints, chemicals. Unica Twin permits automatic preparation of the production batches, guaranteeing efficiency and a series of advantages such as precision, repeatability, quality, traceability, know-how protection, cleaning, respect for the environment, high productivity. It is a modular, compact device which can be configured in various ways depending on the sector and products used. Lawer offers solutions with silos loaded pneumatically or through gravity, designed with mechanical devices to facilitate supplying the dispenser and avoiding deposits collecting inside. Unica Twin prepares EVA or polyethylene bags inside the bucket, manually or automatically. The weighing cart is equipped with a dedicated loading cell and a brushless motor used to both move and operate the dosing devices. The dispensers are equipped with a single screw and a device of precision up to 1 gram. The traceability of the bag during the entire course of the conveyor devices is guaranteed by ID tag technology. At the end of the cycle and the automatic reading of the tag, the operator can complete the formula with products that were not present by operating the dedicated station with weight control system, or proceed with the manual sealing of the bag. During every phase of the machine, from the loading to the dosing, a sophisticated suction system guarantees a high level of cleanliness. Through non-return valves, the powders are conveyed to a centralized extractor, which, if necessary, can be equipped with ATEX-certified devices and compliant with the European environmental emission regulations. The Unica Twin software guarantees effective cross-checks and traceability over all the operations of the machine. It generates sophisticated reports and permits integration with external systems, MES, thus falling into the Industry 4.0 concept. Unica Twin, the simplest solution.